Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I bring you this advice to be able to cut a fast pepper and without wasting anything, since as we have been cutting all this time there are many leftovers and they end up discarding. But in this way, they can cut it easy and fast, and best of all without waste. Let's see how to do it. We take our knife and we will cut the upper part of the pepper more or less at the height where we see that the twig or stem is, and cut it horizontally. As you can see, the pure lid is so to speak, and we only press the part of the middle, and will easily come out as seen on the screen. We reserve the rest and proceed to do the same with the lower part, taking into account that the cut must be above the parts that form the base of the pepper, as seen in the video. And we reserve it, and as can be seen, nothing is wasted. We take the remaining of the pepper and make a cut vertically, and then put it horizontally, and we cut the entire part where the seeds are what we do not want. We turn it until we cut everything, and as you see the entire white part that we are not going to use, and we have all the free pepper. We discard the leftover, and it is ready to cut it. We take the pepper and cut the way we need it. In this case it shorts it in strips, since that is how I will use it for what I am going to cook. But you will cut it into pictures or in thinner strips if they prefer it, or if their saucer requires it. But as we see, we used the whole pepper and there was no waste, as we passed when we cut it before knowing this advice. As they could see, there are easier ways to cut certain foods, and this is one of them. Thus cutting the peppers we will waste anything, and we can use it for the dishes that we want in an easier way, and that will save us a lot of time and effort. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing, and hopefully this advice has served you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.